Hey guys, Ryan Anderson with Premier Seal Coating. How you doing? At Premier Seal Coating, we love pavement maintenance. Pavement maintenance? Yes, pavement maintenance. And I am out maintaining some pavement at the Dunkin' Donuts in Fishkill, Massachusetts. There was a problem with the ADA parking, so we came in and we fixed it. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Yeah, man. So there was this parking lot, and then there was this person, and they were complaining about the ADA spots. So somehow that turned into me getting a seal coating job. So pretty sweet. Yeah. So here we are. The boys came out here and did this today after doing 5 driveways because they're the best. And then I came back and I put my little touch on everything. Yep, that's right. Ramon and Luis, they fixed up some curbing. Oh, muy bueno. Okay. Yeah. So here we are at Premier Seal Coating. We don't just care about pavement maintenance, but we also care about concrete. That's right. I guess we missed one. We missed the spot. But, I mean, listen, there's all kinds of stuff. The thing looks like, King Kong used it as a toothpick. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? So, yep. Pretty easy. First parking lot, really, I think, of the season for seal coating. I know it's the first driveways that we did today because nothing but problems with the equipment. We took these things up, we took these things apart. We cleaned them, like, oh, are they clean? And then we put them all back together. We go to the vendor, we fill up with sealer, and we spend the first 3 hours of the day, every 3 seconds, cleaning chunks out of the tip. Now, if I didn't see it with my own eyes, I'd be saying, come on guys, you're pulling my fucking leg. You're pulling my leg, come on. But I saw it with my own 2 eyes. And yeah, man. Yeah, they did. They cleaned it out because I popped in on them. Yeah, that's right. They were working at the shop, and I snuck in. Surprise, bitches! And there they were. Fucking Josh has got the whole goddamn thing. He's got every goddamn piece out. He's got this brush that you're supposed to use on a carpet, and he's in there. Yeah. So then they pumped like 200 gallons through it of water. So yeah. Let's look at it. Wow. We love pavement maintenance. And because we're professional line stripers, we don't paint all over the grates. No, we don't paint. Because you'll kill the fishes, man. And everybody loves fish. Yeah. Especially with fucking tartar sauce. All right.